Welcome to this class on character design. If you've ever wanted to create a new character for a project of yours, whether it be a video game, a short film, a comic book, a drawing for your Dungeons and Dragons character, or simply a cool looking character for your portfolio, you were looking at character design. It takes a lot to create interesting, compelling characters, and it might seem like a daunting task for many reasons, but like everything else in art, there is a method to it, and this is what I'll be teaching you in this class. Whatever you're able to create right now, you can be certain about one thing: you will see significant improvements once you've done going through the material. I'll cover my own techniques along with the various improvements I've incorporated throughout the years thanks to the opportunity that I've had working alongside some of the best artists in the film and game industry. We'll look at all the ingredients that go into making awesome characters and how to tackle the various steps that go into character creation. Throughout this class, we'll work on 2 different characters from start to finish. So not only should you learn a ton along the way, but by the end of it all, you should also have 2 killer character designs to add to your own portfolio. I think it comes as no surprise that character design is among my favorite topics, so I'm extremely excited to get started and take you along for the ride. Strap in and get ready to create some cool characters together. Let's do this.